everybody. It's Scott Hollister with Landscape Management Magazine. Thanks for tuning in today on Landscape Management TV. We have a very special guest joining us today, and that is Mr. Yin Chen, who is the CEO of Greenworks Commercial. Yin, great to see you again. Thank you for taking some time to join us. How are you doing today?
Good, good. Thank you. Thanks for having me, Scott.
Absolutely, absolutely. We appreciate it. You and I got a chance to spend a little bit of time together just a few weeks back, as we're in the early part of June as we record this, at a super cool event that Greenworks invited LM to at a place called the Perch in kind of northern Georgia, near the little town of Ellijay, Georgia. Highly recommended. If you haven't looked it up online, please do so. It's a super neat place, and it was a great venue for a big announcement from Greenworks on a couple of different fronts. Number one, this was a product launch event that you focused on the PowerAll line of power tools, 24-volt power tools that Greenworks has launched. And my goodness, the line has seemingly hundreds of different pieces for you. Any tool that you would want is in this line. But most importantly, I think, was that in conjunction with this launch was the announcement of a partnership with Walmart to distribute both professional grade and consumer lines of these tools. So it's kind of what for a company like Greenworks Yin, what does a launch of this size and the announcement of a partnership with Walmart means? It must be a seminal moment for you and the company as a whole.
Thank you, Scott. The Greenworks has been focused in outdoor power equipment. And over the last 10 years, we've been focusing on the commercial one. And then 3-4 years ago, we launched the Optimus program.
Right.
So we have the best battery outdoor power equipment for the landscapers. So our products are starting from $500 to $40,000. And then so that part, we actually, through our efforts of the last 20 years, we now have the most extensive and the best program for the landscapers. And then we're now looking at the other people using battery are the homeowners using a smaller battery for their drill, for their trim, for their lawnmower. And then that also the professional tradesmen, contractors using a professional grade power tools for their job site. And then so our 24-volt program has been launched since 2015. And then now that we have, after through many iterations, this year now we are launching this brand new range of 24-volt PowerAll program. So a Greenworks 3 series is focused on the consumer one, and the Greenworks Pro is focusing on the professional grade to compete with people like Milwaukee, DeWalt, Makita. And then the consumer one is competing with Ryobi and Craftsman. What do we want to have this program? It has the best performance. It has the best ergonomics. It is the best reliability for both the DIY people and the professional people. So finally, we are able to launching this 50 SKUs program in one go. And then the whole program is 200 SKUs. So one battery power 200 tools. And then we are very happy that we're excited about this program. We feel in the market, it representing the best choice, best program for the DIYs, for their consumer, for their everyday use around their home, whether it's power tools, or whether it's outdoor power equipment, or whether it's a vacuum. And then for the professionals, we feel now finally we have a program that the reliability is as good as Milwaukee, performance is as good as a Milwaukee, but at the cost that they could afford, and there was a very professional grade power tools. And then so now I think this program, we're very excited this program. The partnership with Walmart has been going on for the last 7-8 years with between two companies. And then through these efforts, we're now launching this program throughout the 4,000 stores of Walmart in the country. I think the best thing Walmart bring to the market is the speed to service. So they are able to deliver to your home or to your job site within half an hour, or even a couple of hours, or even 30 minutes. That's unbelievable because of that 4,000 stores around the country. And the second part, Walmart has the most efficient supply chain. So they are able to bring this program as the most at the best cost efficiency to the DIY customers, to the professional users. We are all facing with inflation pressure nowadays, with the economy, a lot of uncertainties. So
Right.
I feel this program is bringing a genuine value through this two partnership. This program is bringing a genuine value to the DIYs in the country and the professionals in the country. Yeah, I'm very excited about this partnership.
Well, as you well should be. It's an amazing vehicle for consumers and even professional contractors to kind of get the tools they need to get the job done right. Did Greenworks need to make any changes to accompany the scale? You mentioned the number of stores that Walmart has. I believe it's like north of 5,000 in the U.S. and Canada combined. Did the company did make any changes to its production and ability to transport to be able to cover and make sure that Greenworks is able to provide the amount of tools needed to handle company the size of Walmart?
We are a company actually after the last 25, Greenworks is a 25 years old company. And we are now close to $1 billion company. So we are able to support we have been doing business with Costco, with Lowe's, with Walmart, and Tractor Supply, Target, Menards, all these retailers. So today there's about 14,000 retailers in the country is carrying Greenworks products. And then, so this partnership with Walmart is taking our presence in power tools into another level. So we have a very advanced production line, the best technology to support this behind the scene. So and then this has been a very good launch for so far for both sides. Initial sales result is very, very positive. So which shows the customers love about the brand, the customers love about the program.
That's great to hear. Considering our audience, I don't want to let the landscape and the outdoor power equipment side go because you did have at the event at the Perch your full line of battery powered landscape equipment. I spoke to several of the attendees there who might have represented, say, the construction industry or the electrical industry or plumbing or what might have you, and that were interested in the new PowerAll line. But they gotta look at these things, and I kind of saw their eyes perk up when they saw some of the autonomous mower, the new spreader sprayer. I even saw you at one point with a representative of Walmart, kind of showing off that the Optimus Z line of zero turn mowers. What reactions did you hear from the attendees at that event to the landscaping side? I know they were there to look at something else, but then they got this kind of surprise to look at your outdoor power equipment line. What did they tell you about that experience?
I mean, some of the people actually from the landscaping industry who joined that event as well. And over the last, we launched Optimus Z in 2023, mid of 2023. So the product has been in the market for almost 3 seasons now. And then that we also launched the Optimus handheld products over the last 24 months. And then this year, we basically have the whole program completed. And there's a few people from representing landscape industry joining the events just to say so many great things about their experience with Optimus products. And then that undoubtedly they feel their switch from gas to battery is the right decision they did. It means great value for them. Their operating cost actually comes down. Their less fuel cost, less maintenance cost, less downtime. Their operator actually loves it because it's less heat, less noise, less fuel, and then that is less vibration. And then their customers, their clients loves it. So all in all, we actually feel the Optimus Greenworks commercial 82-volt Optimus program has been such a great program in the market for the landscape industry.
Well, it was a great event. It was neat to see all the new tools. I got to take several of them for a little test drive myself. So with my eyes on maybe add one to my garage, so I have those at my disposal. So we appreciate the invite. I appreciate your time today, Yin. Always great to chat with you. We will chat with you again real soon. So thank you for your time today.
Thank you, Scott.
He's Yin Chen, the CEO of Greenworks. I'm Scott Hollister with Landscape Management Magazine. Thanks for tuning in today on Landscape Management TV.